Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I am Mrs. Charu Garte from Kokle Education Society English Medium School, Pimpalgaon, Baswant. Okay, now let us start the next lesson. Lesson number 12, Perimeter and Area. Students, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Okay. Sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed plane figure. Now open your maths textbook and page number 70. Lesson number 12, Perimeter and Area. Sita, Salma, will you come to the market with me to buy lace? Salma, why do you need lace? Sita, I have a handkerchief. I want to trim it with lace. Salma, how much lace do you need? Sita, oh yes. How much lace do I need? Salma, let us take a spool of thread. Hold one end of the thread at one corner of the handkerchief. Then slowly unwind the thread along all four of its sides until you reach the first corner. Cut it there. You will know how much lace you need by the length of the thread you have cut off. ABCD is a square handkerchief. The sum of the length of side AB, BC, CD and DA is the length of lace needed. This length is called the perimeter of the handkerchief. The perimeter of a square is the sum of the length of all four sides of the square. A fence of a single wire has to be put around a rectangular field. We have to find out the length of the wire needed. The sum of the lengths of all four sides of the rectangular field will tell us the length of wire needed. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the length of all four sides of the rectangle. This is a triangle made of a wire. To find out the length of the wire needed to make it, we will straighten out the wire and measure its length. This length will be sum of the length of the three sides of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of all three sides of the triangle. This figure shows a rectangle whose sides are 3 cm, 2 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. Let us find out its perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the length of all four of its sides. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. Therefore, the perimeter of this rectangle is 10 centimeter. Next, the figure alongside is a square and all of its sides are 2 cm long. Let us find the perimeter of the square. The perimeter of a square is the sum of the length of its four sides. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, the perimeter of the square is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, students? Next, the side of the triangle here are 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm long. Let us find out the perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of all three of its sides. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 15. Therefore, the perimeter of this triangle is equal to 15 centimeter. Now solve exercise. Find the perimeter of the figure given below. It is a rectangle. Rectangle has side 1 cm, 4 cm, 1 cm and 4 cm. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the length of all four sides rectangle is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 10 centimeter. So, perimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Second, it is a square and all of sides are 3 centimeter long. The perimeter of a square is the sum of the length of its 4 sides is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 centimeter. So, perimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. Next is a triangle. Sides are 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of all 3 sides of the triangle. 5 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 12 centimeter. So, perimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, students? Now 4 and 5 is your homework. You have to do yourself. Next, the sides of a rectangular field are 150 meter, 120 meter, 150 meter and 120 meter. Find the perimeter of the field. Now student, solve exercise. The perimeter of the rectangular field. The sum of the length of its 4 sides is equal to 150 plus 120 plus 150 plus 120 meters is equal to 270 plus 270 meter is equal to 540 meter. The perimeter of the rectangular field is 540 meter. Next topic, area. The area of a figure is the amount of space taken up by the figure. Page number 72. Saina, I have more chicky than you. Virat, I have more chicky than you. Sumatai, stop, don't fight, Saina. Why don't you count the number of chicky squares you have? Saina, I have 16 squares of chicky. Sumatai, now Virat, you count the number of chicky squares that you have. Virat, I have 16 squares of chicky too. Sumatai, now tell me who has more chicky. Saina, we were fighting over nothing, Tai. We both have the same amount of chicky. Sumatai, that's right, but let me explain it to you properly. The thickness of the squares of chicky you both have is the same. So, let us measure their surface. There are 16 squares of equal measure on both your slabs. Therefore, you both got the same amount of chicky. On any surface, the measure of the place occupied by a figure is the area of that figure. The measure of a figure should be the same no matter who measure it. Hence, a square of side 1 centimeter is used as the standard unit of measurement of area. The area of a figure is given in square centimeter. To find out the area of this rectangular piece of paper, let us count the number of squares with sides of 1 centimeter on the paper. There are 10 such squares on the paper. Therefore, the area of the paper is 10 square centimeter. To find out the area of the shape given alongside, let us count the number of squares with side 1 centimeter in it. Area of the shape is equal to number of squares is equal to 9. Therefore, area of the shape is equal to 9 square centimeter. Next, a big rectangular table is 3 meters long and 2 meters wide. The surface of the table is to be laminated and a border tape has to be fitted along its side. For this, we must find out how much laminate and what length of border tape is required. The laminate will occupy the top surface of the table. Therefore, to find out how much laminate is needed, we must find the area of the table top. The border tape will be fitted along the sides of the surface. Hence, to find out the length of border tape needed, we find the perimeter of the table top. Here, the size of the table is large. So, to find the area, let us use squares with side of length 1 meter. A square with side 1 meter has an area of 1 square meter. Measurement of laminate is equal to area of the table top is equal to number of squares occupying the table top is equal to 6. Therefore, the quantity of laminate needed is 6 square meters. Length of border tape is equal to perimeter of the surface of the table is equal to sum of the length of all four sides of the surface is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 10. Therefore, the length of border tape needed is 10 meters. Students, the measure of the place occupied by a figure is the area of that figure. The area of a square of side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter. A square of side 1 centimeter is used as the standard unit of measurement of area. Square centimeter and square meter are the units of area. Okay, students. Now, solve exercise. Find the area of the following figures. All small squares are of 1 square centimeter area. First, let us see this identity card. Well, you know that area of the identity card is equal to the number of square occupying the identity card. So, let us count the squares. There are 24 squares and each square has an area of the square centimeter. Therefore, the area of the identity card is 1 into 24 square meter, which is equal to 24 square centimeter. Next, the area of the figure is equal to the number of small square in the figure is equal to 4. Therefore, area is equal to 4 square centimeter. The area of the given figure is 4 square centimeter. Next, the area of the figure is equal to the number of small squares in the figure is equal to 8. Therefore, area is equal to 8 square centimeter. The area of the given figure is 8 square centimeter. Last one. The area of the figure is equal to the number of small square in the figure is equal to 7. Therefore, area is equal to 7 square centimeter. The area of the given figure is 7 square centimeter. Okay, students? Thank you.